Energize your day with eggs. Hello, everyone. Are you feeling drained and looking for a natural energy booster? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to talk about a simple, everyday ingredient that can supercharge your energy levels. Yes, you guessed it right, it's the humble egg. Packed with essential nutrients like folate, riboflavin, thiamine, and vital B vitamins, eggs are a powerhouse of sustained energy. They're rich in high-quality protein, helping preserve muscle mass and boost metabolism. And the best part, they're easy to incorporate into your daily meals. So, stay tuned as we crack open the secrets of how eggs can help you tackle your day with vigor and vitality. Let's get cracking. 1. Eggs are nutrient-rich. Hey there, everyone. Did you know that eggs are like nature's multivitamin? They're absolutely brimming with essential nutrients that your body needs. Just imagine, by enjoying a serving of 2 eggs, you're already getting a whopping 82% of your daily dose of sunshine vitamin D, half of your daily need for folate, a key player in cell growth, a solid 25% of your daily vitamin B2, also known as riboflavin, which is crucial for energy production. And let's not forget about selenium, a powerful antioxidant. You're getting 40% of your daily requirement from these 2 eggs. But wait, there's more. Eggs also pack in a good amount of vitamins A, E, B5, B12, and essential minerals like iron, iodine, and phosphorus. All these nutrients play a vital role in keeping you healthy and balanced. So, next time you crack open an egg, remember all the amazing benefits it's offering you. Stay tuned to learn more about the power of eggs. 2. Eggs, your protein powerhouse. Hey there, everyone. Did you know that eggs are a treasure trove of high-quality protein? Yes, that's right. Protein is the building block of life, crucial for strengthening and repairing our muscles and tissues. And guess what? A single egg packs in about 6.3 grams of this vital nutrient. But that's not all. The magic of eggs lies in their complete protein profile. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, the ones your body can't make on its own, in just the right amounts. This makes eggs a fantastic ally for muscle growth, recovery, and maintenance. Sure, there might be other foods out there with more protein, but when it comes to the quality and bioavailability of protein, eggs are truly in a league of their own. So, next time you enjoy an egg, remember the protein power it's packing. Stay tuned for more egg-citing facts. 3. Eggs, a heart-healthy choice. Hello, everyone. Today, we're cracking the myth about eggs and cholesterol. Did you know that eggs are actually friends with your heart? That's right. Eggs help boost your levels of high-density lipoprotein, HDL, often known as the good cholesterol. This is one of the reasons why eggs don't really affect your risk of heart disease. Now, you might be wondering about the bad cholesterol, low-density lipoprotein, LDL. Well, it's not the eggs you should be worried about, but those deep-fried takeaway foods high in saturated and trans fats. They're the real troublemakers when it comes to LDL cholesterol. So, next time you enjoy an egg, remember it's not just tasty, but also a heart-healthy choice. Stay tuned for more egg-citing facts. 4. Eggs, your sunshine in a shell. Today, we're going to talk about a superfood that's not just delicious, but also a natural source of vitamin D, the incredible egg. Did you know that nearly a quarter of all adults are running low on vitamin D? That's where eggs come in. Just 2 eggs can provide a whopping 82% of your daily vitamin D needs. Now that's what we call a powerhouse. Often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D is a key player in our health. It helps our bodies absorb calcium and phosphorus, keeping our bones and teeth strong and healthy. Plus, it supports muscle function and keeps our immune system in top shape. So, the next time you enjoy an egg, remember you're not just having a meal, you're soaking up some sunshine. Stay tuned for more egg-citing facts. 5. Eggs are filling and help with weight management. Relatively low in calories and a rich source of quality protein, eggs are one of the best food options to assist with weight management. The high satiety levels of eggs leads to greater feelings of satisfaction, less hunger, and a lower desire to eat later in the day, meaning you'll be less inclined to reach for that mid-afternoon snack. Studies have found that eating eggs can make you feel full for longer by increasing levels of a hormone that helps you feel satisfied after eating, keeping energy levels higher, boosting metabolic activity, delaying the rate at which food leaves the stomach. Eggs are packed full of high-quality protein, making them ideal as part of many different dietary patterns that can assist people in managing their weight. Consuming eggs can also help reduce variations in glucose levels, which can have great lasting benefits in regulating eating patterns. 6. Eggs are among the best dietary sources of choline. Choline is an important nutrient that is made in the liver. However, as most people don't produce enough choline to meet daily requirements, it also needs to be consumed through the food you eat. Similar to the function of B vitamins, choline is essential for normal cell functioning, playing an influential role in brain and spinal cord development during pregnancy, cognitive development in infants, and also helping to reduce cognitive decline in the elderly. Until recently, the role of choline as part of a balanced diet had been largely overlooked. Eggs are a rich source of choline, providing more than double the amount of choline per 100 grams than any other commonly eaten food. This makes eggs a highly effective and simple means of meeting your daily nutritional intake. 7. Eggs are a good source of omega-3s. Omega-3s are special types of polyunsaturated fatty acids and are a family of essential fats that play an important role in the way your cell membranes work, from heart and brain health through to protecting your eyes. And as your body produces a limited amount of omega-3s on its own, it's beneficial to actively consume them through various food sources. Eggs are Mother Nature's incredible and edible source of omega-3 fatty acids, providing on average 180 milligrams per serve, 2 eggs. Of this amount, 114 milligrams is the long-chain type of omega-3 fatty acid, which represents between 71 to 127% of the desired intake for adults. Oily fish is one of the best-known sources of omega-3s. However, for people who avoid or can't eat fish, eggs are a particularly useful source of these healthy types of fats. 8. Eggs contain antioxidants that are beneficial for the eyes. Eggs contain a range of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin E, and selenium, which all act as important antioxidants in supporting eye health, retina function, and helping counteract degenerative vision as you age. Eggs are rich in the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin, both of which play a protective role in reducing the risk of certain eye diseases, including cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Studies show that these antioxidants are also better absorbed by the body from eggs than from alternate plant sources. 9. Eggs help boost nutrient intake for healthy aging. Eggs are an accessible, economical, and easily digestible source of excellent quality protein and essential vitamins and minerals, making them an ideal dietary inclusion for older Australians. Easy to prepare, eggs are a simple means to increase nutrient intakes for older people, in turn helping to reduce the risk of a wide range of deficiencies and conditions. They also contain a significant amount of leucine, an amino acid that is important for ongoing muscle support, as well as other key nutrients including vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids, plus a little-known nutrient, choline, which is important for brain function. 10. Eggs can support mental health. A balanced diet can go a long way towards supporting stress reduction and better mental health practices, both reducing the impact of symptoms and optimizing greater performance. And when it comes to the headstrong benefits of eggs, the combination of vitamin B2, B12, choline, iron, and tryptophan are all associated with helping reduce the risk of anxiety, symptoms of depression, and naturally aiding sleep. Thank the viewers for watching and invite them to leave a comment, like, or subscribe. Remind them to eat eggs regularly and enjoy their health and happiness. Sign off with a catchy slogan or catchphrase.